What's up, guys? So we wanted to give another update on my garden. It's been I don't know, 6 days or something since my last update, and we're making progress. I've got some corn coming up. My taters are coming up good. I've got about half of my tomato plants staked out. I ran out of stakes. I'm going to get me some more stakes, but anyway, I'll show y'all what we're up to right now. Now, you can see my lettuce, it's coming up good. And right behind it is my onions. And all my tomato plants. You can see the stakes, that's about half of my tomato plants. Get on this angle. Here's my cabbage. I need to get in here and get rid of some of these weeds, which is what I'm fixing to do here in just a few minutes. I got squash through here. And see that little fella. It's cucumbers, and I've got several others out through here. Can't quite make out. Alright. There's my 3 rows of corn. I'll get over here a little bit closer. I've actually got some corn coming up. I was surprised. I noticed it was coming up within 5 days of planting it. Get over here a little closer. I want to see if we can spot some corn. All right, see these 3 little plants. I planted my corn in 3s. And they're starting to come on up. Let's see, there it is. So, pretty tickled about that. Right down through here is my onions. Really good right now. Starting to get big. My tomatoes are looking real good. I've not got them tied yet. There's really no need. They're not getting tall enough yet, but they're starting to get wider. Let's see if I can show you this plant right here. Notice how bushy they're getting. It won't be long and I'll be cutting some suckers off of them and getting everything tied up. All right, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna show you what my taters are looking like. Let's see. You can see the taters are coming up. Right there's a good one. Up there. They're not as even as I would hope for, but they'll even up. All of them's coming up like they're supposed to. So. Looking good. Here in about another week, I'll go through and when I get just a little bit taller, I'll go through and heal them and fertilize everything good again. So, well, that's it. Update number 2. We're making progress. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.